Hello crafty people and welcome back. Today a swipe with neon colours, so that you know is going to make me very happy. Now I am inspired today by a lady called Eileen and also by another lady who has a YouTube channel called Julie Cuts, and both of these ladies have taken my original starburst swipe design and did it with black, and I'm thinking, why did this never occur to me? I love to swipe bright colours with black, and yet I've never done a starburst swipe that way. So today, inspired by you two ladies, I'm going to give it a try myself. I have got some amazing neon colours. These are all DecoArt Americana from their neon range. Let me take the tops off. I don't have the original bottles because those are all empty. I've thrown them away, but I've got the leftovers here in my little cups. And I've also written down the names. So we have fiery red, torrid orange, thermal green, scorching yellow and sizzling pink. There's also a fantastic electric blue colour, but I've used that in another painting I don't have anymore, so I need to get some more of that fantastic blue. So I am just going to make it with these neons, also just the regular lamp black. All of my paints they come in the little 2 ounce regular kind of DecoArt bottles, so they're all mixed 50-50, 1-to-1 with the DecoArt pouring medium. And then, in order to encourage some cells, I just have a few drops of the treadmill built silicone in each colour, including in my black. So because I don't have a whole bunch of these colours, some of them not very much, particularly the orange, and there's not a lot of contrast, what I'm going to do is actually put a black layer down first of all, and then I'm going to pour the colours on top and swipe with the black. So we'll see how that goes. Let me go those off to one side. I'm going to cover my canvas in black, and then I'll see you back here for the colours. Okay, my black is down, and I think I'm going to start with the fiery red in the centre. I have to be aware that my rings, as they get out from the centre, are going to be larger. So there's no good trying to do the orange ring last, because I don't have very much orange paint, so that needs to be towards the centre. So I think I'll do some red first. Let's see if I can eyeball it so it's a little bit central. Make myself a little ring to start. Typically I find that the colour that I put in the centre gets covered up a lot by the black and doesn't show as much. So I think I'll start off with a little bit of the red, and then I can also put some more of that out around later on, if I need to. We'll see how far these leftover paints go. Bit more. Alright, that's probably enough. Now let's go with that orange, because I don't have very much. So now I've got my basic ring in place, I'm just going to pour the others. And I'm also, I think, not going to take it right out to, whoa, oh, I've got the window open, it's blowing the paint. I'm not going to take it right out to the edge this time either. I think I'm going to leave a bit of black, because that should contrast nicely around the outside. So what next? Some yellow. Whoop. Oh, what a mess. Then this sizzling pink. Very good. And our green. That looks like it needs a little bit of a stir. I've also noticed that when I use the DecoArt pouring mediums for the paints, these honestly have been mixed up, I don't know, well over a month, maybe even probably even over 2 months. I can't remember since I did the last time with them. And I took the tops off of these and mixed with the paint and the DecoArt pouring medium. They were just absolutely perfect. Whereas in the past, if I've used other pouring mediums or Floetrol, I take the top off, they're kind of separated, you know what I mean? And I've often needed to add some more water. But with these, they were just exactly the same as when I poured them. So that's always handy. Get a line of this green around the outside. And I think that's enough. Okay. Pop those off to one side so I don't make a mess. Oh, I've already made a mess all over my surface. Okay, so I have got some of these paint sample cards from the DIY store, which I'll use to swipe. And I think I will start off with those in my main directions. Oh, messed up already. And then I can switch to some which I've just cut in half if I need to infill. So let's get my paper towel out the ready so I can swipe. I can wipe off my card. Okay, let's give it a go. Oh, I need to put a bit more black, I think, in the middle, because that is going to be my swipe colour. So let's get a bit more black in there, and then I can swipe that over the other colours. Okay, here we go. Oh, fabulous. Oh my goodness. Why have I not done this before? I love black and bright colours together, and these neons are fantastic with black. Oh, that looks so good. Now I'm happy. Let's do a bit more down into the corners. Oh yes, oh yes. I think I need to wipe off a bit more. I want to keep that centre nice and black, not transfer the colours too much. There we go. Now I need to just clean up, get a fresh paper towel and start again with the smaller ones. Okay, a bit more black in the centre where it's getting a little bit thin there. Now I'm going to swipe in between, just with little small swipes. Well, that looks good. If there are little gaps between the swipes where you see bits of colour which aren't swiped, I'm good with that too. I don't think you can go wrong. Need a bit more black. You can see it's getting a bit thin there. And again. Whoop, whoop, whoop. And I think it's done. I need to touch up a little bit with the black in the middle there. Just spread that around so there's not a thin patch. And let's take a look. I think I'm pretty happy with that. Very happy with that, in fact. There's a little bit of other colour there in the middle, which I'm going to just pull out. A little bit of green. And now let's go over it with my torch just to get rid of any bubbles that we've created by swiping the paints over each other. And I think I am done. Well, there we go. Black and neon, especially these DecoArt Neon paints, they really are the best. I absolutely love them. And I'm really, really happy. The details in this are fantastic. The cells that it makes. If you use the DecoArt pouring medium, combine it with those paints, the DecoArt paints, and just a few drops of the treadmill oil, swipe them and it gives the most amazing cells. I'm going to bring the camera down now so that you can take a closer look. There we go. I think you can see the details. I just love, love, love how this paint mix sells. Absolutely beautiful. And the black lacing in amongst all of these colours, it looks so good. I don't know why I have not done this before. Swiping with black is just fantastic. Look what it does. Absolutely amazing. I can't pick a favourite part. All the parts of this painting are already my favourites. I think maybe the outer edges, I like the outer edges more than the inner where there's a bit more black, because I think there's more colour out here. And look what it does where just you get the green swiping over the black. That looks really cool too. I'm right up to the edge. Oops, stuck my finger right in it. There we go. Beautiful, beautiful. So I can zoom out. There we go. And a final shot. Wow, that really is a starburst. I'm very, very happy with that. So thank you everyone for watching. Thank you to Eileen and Julie for the inspiration of making one of these with black. I feel a lot more black swipes coming on in the future. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you here again soon.